Monitoring Azure AI resources is crucial to maintaining performance, availability, and reliability in AI solutions. Monitoring involves continuous observation, recording, and analysis of the system's operation. Effective monitoring can proactively identify potential issues, helping minimize impacts. For example, performance bottlenecks, limits exceeded in Azure resources, or downtime should be promptly recognized and addressed. Azure provides tools and methodologies specifically designed for monitoring, aiding developers and administrators in managing AI resources efficiently and effectively. To efficiently monitor Azure AI services, you must understand multiple performance metrics involved, such as latency, measures how quickly the AI service responds; throughput, amount of requests that an AI service can process; failure rates, proportion of all requests resulting in errors; resource consumption, monitors resource use like CPU, memory, and storage; costs, analysis that helps optimize budget management. Analyzing these metrics provides actionable insights for ensuring that your AI resources perform optimally at minimal costs, meeting service level agreements, SLA, and user expectations. Azure Monitor is a comprehensive solution for collecting, analyzing, and interpreting telemetry from various Azure resources, including Azure AI services. It aggregates data such as performance, diagnostic, and operational telemetry, providing detailed insight into the system's behavior. Azure Monitor enables resource usage analysis, alerting and notification setup, root cause diagnosis. This service is a central component in Azure that allows developers and system admins to maintain and escalate their AI solutions' reliability and availability. To set up monitoring for Azure AI resources effectively, follow these steps. Create diagnostic settings. Configure diagnostic logs on your Azure AI resources to collect relevant metrics and insights. Integrate with Azure Monitor. Connect your resource to Azure Monitor for centralized logs and analytics. Define metrics and alerts. Set up metric alerts based on predefined thresholds to ensure timely detection and resolution of potential problems. Proper initial setup greatly influences monitoring effectiveness, ensuring comprehensive and reliable data collection and analysis for ongoing maintenance management. Alerts in monitoring Azure AI resources are critical. Effective alerts should have clear characteristics, relevant, correspond to meaningful and actionable issues. Accurate, avoid false alarms, reflecting real-time conditions precisely. Timely, immediate notification for prompt action. Consider scenarios like a spike in resource usage or abnormal response latency rates. Set threshold-based alerts on these metrics to quickly respond and mitigate risks, ensuring your system remains operational and aligned with SLA commitments. Diagnostic logs provide detailed information about operations occurring within Azure AI services. 3 primary log categories: audit logs, tracking user activities and changes made on resources; performance logs, presenting performance and operational metrics; diagnostic logs, containing detailed data about request and response cycles. These logs enable deep troubleshooting, providing an accurate depiction of underlying issues and facilitating proactive resolution of operational anomalies and performance degradations. Analyzing the data collected from monitoring requires interpreting multiple parameters, trend analysis, detecting long-term patterns to predict usage and functionality; anomaly detection, identifying deviations from normal operating conditions; incident response, rapid evaluation and solution implementation upon detecting an alert. Tools such as log analytics under Azure Monitor provide powerful capabilities between analysis, visualization, and detection, aiding in swift decision-making and efficient AI resource management. Visualization tools provided by Azure give intuitive means to interpret Azure AI monitoring data. Azure dashboards provide highly customizable views to display relevant metrics. Power BI integration enables robust analytics and visual storytelling through dashboards and reports. Effective dashboards visually condense data, quickly highlighting critical points, facilitating rapid analysis, and bolstering data-driven decision-making processes for administrators and stakeholders. Effective monitoring can inform decisions about scaling Azure AI resources. Regular evaluation of telemetry data identifies utilization demands and informs the optimal scaling approach. Vertical scaling, adjusting resources, CPU, RAM, on existing instance. Horizontal scaling, adding more resource instances to distribute workloads evenly. Monitoring accurately signals when the increased demand surpasses current resource specifications, indicating technological capacity expansion or optimization necessity. Integrating cost management with Azure Monitor offers compelling benefits for Azure AI resource management. Analyzing resource consumption patterns can identify cost-saving opportunities, prevent unexpected expenditure through proactive monitoring, enhance budgeting precision by forecasting expenses based on real-time monitoring. Combining cost analysis and performance data ensures optimized resource utilization, aligning operational efficiency with economic objectives and constraints. Applying established best practices maximizes monitoring efficacy. Set clear monitoring objectives aligned closely with business and operational requirements. Regularly validate alert threshold relevance to reduce alarm fatigue. Analyze historical monitoring data for trends. Automate routine monitoring and notification for optimized efficiency. Regularly review visualization dashboards to identify unnoticed trends. Adopting proven industry practices ensures robust, reliable monitoring, enhancing overall system health management of Azure AI solutions. Monitoring plays a vital role in adopting responsible AI practices by providing transparency and accountability. Transparency clearly demonstrates service operations and decision-making processes through detailed monitoring data. Accountability precisely identifies responsibility by monitoring user interactions or automated processes to avoid unintended biases or consequences. Responsible AI resource management consistently integrates monitoring practices to ensure ethical standards, fairness, and transparency in AI system design and use, fostering trust and regulatory compliance.